Hi, welcome to Course Creation System. Hi friends, you might be thinking for this course is for whom? If you are an entrepreneur or trainer, teacher, consultant, professional, business owners, and even the knowledge giver, then yes, you should go for this course. Yes, friend, because in this exactly what you are going to learn with the help of course creation system. You are going to create your first online course and start sharing your knowledge to the world. Yes, it is possible. So you are going to create value for your knowledge and even for your experience, whatever you are going to have. This is a great opportunity for you to earn 1 lakh per month. There are many people earning more than this, but yes, for this what is required is a consistency and giving kind of nature. Friends, this all you're going to do without any investment in website, technical skills, or email communication, big investment, and even there is no need to study a lot. I'm going to do for you. Okay, so let me share the 3 important secrets for you. Number 1 secret is sharing is caring. People are going to be connected more if you are sharing more and more information. Yes, so sharing is caring. Let me share the second secret, that is give to get, G to G. This I always say as G to G. The more you are going to give, the more you are going to get. So what is expected is go on giving, giving, giving. Third secret is forever living. So friends, so if you want to live forever in this universe in the form of knowledge or the course, then yes, this is a great opportunity. I want you to take maximum advantage of this. You might be thinking, what is going to happen to me? What benefit or outcome I'm going to get because of the course creation system? Friend, number 1 is you are going to be an expert. You are going to become better in your niche, that is area of specialization. That is the first benefit you are going to get. The top second benefit is you are going to be the influencer, the leader in your area of specialization. Let people follow you. People are going to follow you. Third top benefit is online course. You are going to create in proper format for effective learning. I just want you to ask yourself these 3 questions, okay, about say encashment. Say example, because of this course, is it good idea to encash your own knowledge? What do you think? Let me ask you second question. If people are going to get benefit because of your knowledge, then is it great to do? If yes, go for it. Let me ask you the last question is connect. If because of you are able to connect with more people through your knowledge, is it an awesome idea? If you feel yes or to any one of these questions, okay, then do invest in the course now. Friends, let me share the final actions for you. Number 1 is I'm going to share the link, that is ourarea.in/ccswg. This is a WhatsApp group. There are others also like a Telegram group or Facebook group also. So do connect in this and stay connected. Second action is if you want to know all the information about this course, okay, then you have to go through the website where I have put all the information including the course curriculum system. I'm going to give you a special offer, okay, and there is a special investment for you also. So take benefit of this. Even you can get the training schedule also. So friends, let me share what exactly I'm going to cover in session number 1. Number 1 is why knowledge sharing is important. Okay, I'm going to help you to explore why it is important, what you can share, okay, and what the top leaders in the knowledge sharing industry, who are those and how they are doing it. So all these things I'm going to explore in this session. Along with this, I'm going to help you to clarify your niche, that is the area of specialization. You might be already aware. In session 2, I am going to help you with implementation of whatever you learned in session number 1. and you are going to watch the recording of session number 1. You are going to identify your niche, that is the area of specialization, and you are going to decide what you are going to share with the world. You cannot share everything. Do research in your area of specialization. This is what you are going to do in session number 2. In session number 3, you are going to understand how to create your first online course. Okay, live, I'm going to help you live with the implementation action plans. Okay, I'm going to help you with the course planning structure and how to create, how many topics should be there, how many sections should be there, and all these things in detail. Again, in last session number 4, you are going to implement the earlier sessions, whatever you have learned. You're going to watch all the recordings for quick learning. And if you have any questions, you can just visit this link, ourarea.in/QA, to ask your questions. Okay, so these all questions will be covered, answered every question in the live training program. You have to take action to get results. This is my ultimate wish, friends. So friend, let me cover in session number 5. This is going to be the future scope of the course creation. Exactly in future, what is the best outcome? What is the future thing it can happen? So especially the knowledge management system, smart knowledge system. Okay, you can see some of the feedback by the my students. Okay, you can refer the feedback anytime. You can pause this video and refer the feedback. So let me conclude with the actions for you, friends, is about the course creation system. Number 1 is join the different groups, WhatsApp, Telegram, or Facebook. ourarea.in/CCS course creation system WhatsApp group. And similarly, you can visit the website for all the information, and also refer the link for all the details and investment purpose, and go for the training schedule also, because this is I'm going to decide when to take all these sessions. So you'll be lucky, and this is a great opportunity if you are watching this video and the schedule is available. Take maximum benefit. Cheers.